Welcome to today's video. Have you ever wondered how a machine can fly just like a helicopter? Today, we're going to explore how nature's inspiration and human creativity have come together to create these remarkable flying machines. Nature has always been an endless source of inspiration for humanity. Take a look at the dragonfly, a creature that effortlessly hovers, swiftly changes direction, and even stays stationary in mid-air. These unique abilities have inspired designers in developing the main rotor mechanisms of helicopters. It's not just the dragonfly. The maple seed, with its spiraled design, is also a symbol of natural lift. As it falls, its unique geometric structure causes it to spin, demonstrating a natural method of generating lift in the air. With his keen eye for observation, Leonardo da Vinci sketched pioneering ideas such as the aerial screw, an early prototype of the helicopter that opened up a vision of limitless flight. These drawings stand as a testament to the connection between nature and human technological innovation. And it doesn't end there. The traditional Chinese toy, the bamboo-copter, with its simple yet effective spinning motion, helped clarify the principles behind rotary engines, one of the key components in modern helicopter design. From these natural inspirations and initial ideas, technology took a giant leap forward. Pioneers like Igor Sikorsky studied and applied these basic principles to develop the modern helicopter, turning imaginative concepts into reality with remarkable flight capabilities and versatility. A helicopter is not just a feat of engineering. It's the beautiful result of merging natural observation with human ingenuity. What do you think was the most pivotal inspiration in shaping helicopter design? Share your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so you won't miss our future videos.